Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to allow sites to use your fonts installed on your device. Now if you want to allow sites to be able to ask to use the fonts installed on your device, it's quite simple. From the home menu, you will open up your settings. You can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Alternate and P, to open up the settings. And then from here you scroll all the way down until you see privacy and security, and then you click on site settings. Now once you're here, you scroll down until you see additional permissions and click on the arrow that will open up the additional permissions by the right side. Then scroll all the way down until you see fonts, then click on fonts. Now sites usually use your fonts so you can create high fidelity content with online design and graphics tools. Now if you do not want to allow sites to use the fonts installed on your device, simply click on this. If you do want to allow them, then you click on the first option. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.